Hey guys, Brittany here, and today we've got kind of a different video to do. I'm actually going to open a style box that I ordered. It's not a sponsored video, so I bought this box out of my own fruition, and because I wanted to really clean out my closet and get some fresh new things. And if you're like me, I absolutely hate shopping, which is surprising because I love fashion. It's what I do, but shopping for myself has been getting harder and harder the older I get. Getting out there to find time to do it is hard as well, and then once I get out there, I can spend all day looking for something. So this is why I don't really do it. And you know, it's just the sizing, it's an issue too. I know a lot of people have the same problem. So, which is why I kind of like these style boxes. It's a kind of a new thing that's gotten kind of popular. You see them with food, and of course I fall into that category too. Anything that saves me time as an entrepreneur is amazing. So, you know, if you can find someone to clean your house, if that's something you don't like to do. Cooking is something I don't really like to do, so that's why food boxes are really great for me. Like grocery shopping I hate as well. So anything that saves me time and I can focus on doing my own business and my own thing, I love it. So this is why I ordered this box. Now this is just came today, so I'm doing a kind of impromptu video just on the fly. It's called Frockbox, and it's a Canadian company. I believe they only ship in Canada right now, at least. I know you guys in the States have way more option in this sort of category of style boxes and subscription things. You have so much more options, let me tell you. Trying to find one that ships to Canada that's decently priced. I tried another company that I'm not going to name because I didn't find their service very good. Not like the clothes were bad, and their website was actually a lot better than this one. It's just that I found when it was time to order, they wanted to charge me for the entire order. So everything that they were going to send me in the box was going to be charged to me before it ships. Which I wasn't too crazy about the clothes in the beginning, so why would I fork over like over $200 for them to send it to me? I like this option a lot better. They had an easy questionnaire starting with size, you know, what kind of style you like, who you look up to for style, what kind of shops you usually go to, but their website is very basic and they don't show really anything of what kind of stuff you're going to expect. So this is a total surprise. Probably because they do it all per order, right? You tell them what you like and then they go out and shop for you. So they don't really have, well, I'm assuming they don't really have an inventory that they just go for. But so yeah, it's a big surprise. You pay $24.95 for them to ship it to you. Which is okay. I mean, it's a style piece. Someone's out there picking these items for you. And then you just pay for whatever items you keep, and it's free to return. So, you know, if they don't fit, which I'm hoping they do, let's hope that we have some goodies in here. So I'm going to go and open it, and we're going to see what kind of stuff they sent me. Now, I said my style icons were Taylor Swift, Emma Stone, and Gal Gadot, just because they're all kind of really tall girls that don't really wear, you know, high heels or anything. Kind of like their style. So, okay. So, it comes with, you know, the return label, which is nice. And let's see, this is just okay. So this is just a order summary of everything that's in there. And like a little thing that says item number 1, I'm keeping, returning, and a little feedback, I guess, like size, fit, love it, like it, it's all right, hate it. So it has like a little, so I believe I send this back to them so they know what, I guess, to charge me. So, okay, and in here, wow, okay. Looking at the prices. So I've gotten 5 items. They range from $49.99, oh actually $44 to $69, which is not bad. I was expecting the other box I was going to order was quite a lot more. So the merchandise total comes to $277.97, and it has the credit fee for the styling credit fee of $24.95, and if you keep everything, you get 25% off, which would be $183.53. So, you know, if they're all really great, that's what I'd be paying for, you know, 5 items, you know. That's not too bad. I mean, if I went to a store, it would probably be the same. I mean, you can't really find decent stuff for less than that unless you're going bargain. I know I like to shop just like everyone. I like a deal when there's a deal, but I also like quality. So there's a couple brands that I really like and that I don't mind spending, you know, $200 or $300, although it happens very rarely. Okay, so let's see what I got here. Oh, this is kind of cool. So this is a medium size. Looks like a jersey kind of dress, nice and long. I kind of like that. That's kind of neat. It's a little high neck. I'll try these all on for you later, but I kind of like this. You know, hopefully it comes with something that I can wear for the fall. Let's see. So that one is $39.99. Ooh, this is kind of pretty. Okay, so we got a nice printed top. It's not looking too fitted, which is, you know, I'm down with that. I'm not really keen on, you know, the really tight stuff that I used to wear. Like, a lot of my clothes that I went through my closet were super tight, you know, really fitted. You know, when you're older, you don't really, I like high-waisted jeans now and things that are a little bit looser fitting. So this is really nice. I'll have to see how it looks on, but I like the lace on the top. And this one is $49, and it's a small, so probably because it's baggier they did that. Okay, this one's interesting. It's a big. I don't know if I'd like this one. I'll try it. Actually, kind of cute, hey? It's a nice striped. It feels like a linen of some sort. It's button up. It's kind of neat. It's very simple, not lined. See, I told them I was in fashion too, like, so maybe I'm getting some better attention. I don't know, but yeah, this is cotton poly, hand wash, dry flat, made in China, of course. It feels really comfortable, so, you know, hopefully it doesn't look like a hospital gown. That's what I'm kind of worried about, is that, let's see. Oh, and how much was this one? Here's the tag. So this one was the $69 one, probably because it's a dress, right? So this one's $44. Okay. Don't quite know if I like it. Not too crazy about the pattern, but I mean, I'll try it. See how I like. It's really high neck. I'm not really a fan of really high neck things like a lot of people. So, but I like that it's not fitted. It's got some room there. So we'll see. See about that one. Ooh. Okay, this feels. This. Wow, okay. Actually, you know what? I just threw out some pants like this that were way too small for me, and I called them my superhero pants because I wore them for a lot of cosplay stuff, you know, like the sexy Black Widow, I think I used it, and Wasp, anything that I was really like. But these guys, they're got that pleather type top, nice comfortable back. So my other ones had a whole bunch of seaming on it that they were just too tight. They cut in, they had to go bye-bye. So, so this is actually, I'm really excited about this. And I'm gonna try these on, and seems like the tag is missing on this one. So I don't know if it fell off or what, but I think those ones, oh, this one was a highlighted winter clearance. So keep the highlighted item and receive 50% off the listed price. Discount will be applied at billing. So that's pretty cool. Let's hope they look good, and you know, there's not a dire reason why those are on sale. And that's the label. So I'm gonna try these on and see if we have any winners. So I'll just do a little montage-y, I guess. So I'll see you in a bit. All in all, pretty successful, I'd say. I just realized how ironic it is that it's called Frockbox, but it's not in a box. Okay. I try, okay? But anyway, I think it's just convenient and probably cheaper to send it that way. It's resealable, so I'll just slap on the return label and send back that one dress that I didn't quite like. So if I were to critique it on my little list here that they gave me, midi swing dress with tie detail arms, that one, which was number 4. So I would probably say the fit it's all right. It was only didn't fit me up here very well, is what I'd say. Everywhere else it was fine. The style wasn't really for me. So yeah, but all in all, pretty good. The pants I'm conflicted with. I'd get them for half off. It might be worth it just for me to keep in my closet to replace those other pants that I just got rid of that were too small. But yeah, I liked everything else. I really liked this jersey dress. I thought it was really comfortable. I like how everything didn't really cling to me. Like, this one was really cute with the lace, and it feels really silky and smooth. And this surprised me. I kind of really like this, and I think it's really professional. It'd be nice to wear on client meetings and stuff like that. So all in all, pretty impressed. I think I probably wouldn't do it every month, but definitely as I'm trying to build up a better wardrobe and get some fresh new things in there just for a change, because as I said, I've been keeping a lot of old clothes in the closet and they are out of there now and I've got nothing to wear. Funny. Okay. So now that we're talking about clothing and merchandise and stuff like that, I don't know if you guys have seen, but we now have merch for the channel and just some little pieces that I designed, you know, just some tanks, some t-shirts, some for brides, the Bride Squad, even Sew Squad, which is the new affectionate name I'm referring to you guys as, because I feel like we've grown a long way from where I started several years ago, and we've gotten quite a following. And you know, running a YouTube channel is kind of a lot of work. So it'd be great if you guys checked it out. There's also some cell phone cases. Yeah, so thank you guys for watching. And if you want to see more Frockbox stuff, I can maybe reach out to them, because they do have a higher premium box that is like a whole outfit that someone puts together for you. So let me know if you're interested in doing something like that. And you can say goodbye to Lucy because she's a little naughty kitty and she likes to see what I'm doing. And I will catch you guys in the next video. In the meantime, happy sewing.